2 quick things you got to do when you buy a new home. Number 1, plant a tree. Especially in areas that don't have a lot of trees or new construction areas, a lot of the times they're not already there. So a great thing to do to add a little bit of value to your property and something that'll make your house stand out than other ones is a tree. Number 2, spray a barrier of bug spray all around the entry of your home, all around the sides and around the garage. This is something that's going to keep out those unwanted critters and make sure you don't have to worry about going to bed and a spider jumping on you. Side note, don't look at my lawn, I need to mow it. But yeah, 2 quick things you got to do. And trust me, there's a lot other more important things too, but these are just 2 things that came to my mind. Like, comment, follow so we can keep spreading the word.